me here with Little Bitty Noggins. So the other day, I decided that I was going to go to a place called Ollies. Now, Ollies is an overstock store that has a bunch of random stuff. They've got books, they've got housewares, they've got all kinds of things. But one thing that they have that I am interested in is the crafting supplies. And they had an overstock of yarn. So the yarn that they had there was the Ogo curved yarn things that were super popular, I think about a year or two ago. And they had a bunch of them. They had some blanket yarn ones, and they also had some worsted weight yarn ones. And I got some of both. So I am going to show you what I got. To start out, I got three of these. It is a variegated gray, cream, white, and then another color gray. There are actually three grays. There's this dark gray, a light gray, and then a medium gray right there. Then we got cream and white. And I got three of those because who doesn't need gray and white and cream yarn? It's great. Small amounts for detail work on amigurumi, or if you want to make a blanket, they've also got, you can make granny squares with it. Then I got a couple of the plain colored Ogos as well. So I got this gray, it's like a silvery gray, super pretty, super cheap. Each of these was $2.99. And normally I want to say they're about $6 or $7 in the store. And then I also got plain white as well. So plain white, plain gray, a variegated gray and cream and white color. And now on to the blanket yarn. So my first one I got was this Ogo. It was $4.99. Normally it says that their price is $12.99. It's got like this orangey brown color here, a silvery gray there, and then black here. Again, awesome for small projects, amigurumi, all kinds of fluffy, stuffy plushies would work really great with these Ogos. And for the price, you cannot beat it. And we also got, this one's kind of falling apart. I got this country, it almost looks purple here, but it's like a country blue. And then there is this lavendery purple and this like magenta-y color. Super cute. Great, small amounts, $4.99. And we've got this two-tone yellow here, and we've got gray right there. This would be great for making like a bumblebee, a flower. There's the flower color. This would be great for like storm cloud or whatever you need gray yarn for. That's a great option. Then we got this like greenish spring color here. We've got a sagey green and then a really pretty blue. Again, $4.99. You cannot beat that price. Ollies is awesome. And then we've got this tri-tone greenish bluish color. We've got this teal, this sagey green, and then this really pretty light bluey green color. It's gorgeous. And then last but certainly not least, we have this tri-tone blue. So we've got this dark navy blue here, this tealy bluey green right up here, and this really, really pretty like sky blue color there. And again, $4.99. It's a great deal. Ollies is an overstock store, so they get basically when the companies make too much of something, they get that overstock and can sell it for cheap. So their slogan is Ollies, good stuff cheap, which is great. I go there pretty often just to see if they have any yarn, to see if they have crafting stuff. And I get lucky sometimes, and this time I got pretty lucky. So if you have an Ollies in your area, you should check them out and see if they have any yarn. It can't hurt, and it is a great deal when you do find the yarn there. Some of where are they? Over here. These yarns in that bin are some from Ollies, and they are awesome. Bulky yarns, pretty colors. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please, if you haven't, like, comment, subscribe, do all of the things. It really does help. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you guys next time. Have a great day, friends. Bye!